Hi, I'm Gauri. I already uploaded part 1, part 2, part 3 Microsoft Word work. This one is the part 4. I'm going to try to finish this one is today. This is part 4. Part 1, part 2, part 3. If anybody want, you can get it from my YouTube channel. This one today I'm going to teach you how to do the line numbers. Go under the layout. If you want to get the layout, hold on a second, go to the home and then you can go to the layout, then you can go to the line numbers. Line numbers is important for you. Why? Because when you have a line numbers here like this, some of the paragraphs, some of the documents, if you want to show the line numbers, you have to even the teachers or students, they can easy to find out, or you can tell them, okay, which page you have to find out about the paragraph, like that you can mention it about that. Okay, I'm going to delete that one, and next I'm going to show you about the references is table of contents under the references. And if you want to know about the references, see here the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, like that. How is going to work this one? When you have a title here, you can type title. This is the first title. When you have it here, then after that, if you go to the reference, then you can go to the table of contents, then you click it here, then you can see here, see, create the table of contents. Start by applying a heading style from the style gallery to the selected text. That means, see here, contents. I didn't write anything under the title. If you write something here under the title is for example, number 1, number 2, like that. If you make it something like that, then yes, you can able to, after you go to the reference and table of contents, you can able to see what you did write it, like that. Same thing is under the title 2. This one is title 1, then second one is title 2, like that. You can able to do it like that. If you don't like it, if you don't need it, you just leave it. The next one is how to insert the insert footnote. You have to click the insert and footnote like this, then you can add it. Go back here, then you can insert the end note also, the end note here, whatever you want to write it, the end note, then you can go back. And sometime you have a question like insert citation. In case if you are writing anything about the research papers, something like that, by yourself researching from papers or anything, you have to click here, then add new source, then you have to write about the paper information here, whatever the information they ask, titles, year, city, publisher, who was write the paper about the news, like that. You have to write it, and then you have to click OK. On the last page, you have to add the bibliography. You have to click here, then you have to choose it, which one you want, and the style also here, where APA or which style you want, you can choose it here. After that is the mailing. When you go to the mailing, you always have to know how to make the envelopes. You have to type the address here, delivery address, in this box. Delivery address plus is the return address. That's not belong to me. Okay, you have to write the delivery address here and return address, and still if you need anything option, then click the option, and then you can choose it whatever you want. You have to choose it what style you want, you can choose it, then click OK. After that, if you want to print the envelopes, then you can click the print and you can able to print it. The next one is, I'll show you how to make the labels. Click labels, still we are under the references, you know, the mailing. Under the mailing, you have to click the labels. Then you have to write same things, you have to write the address here, the mailing address. Then you have to go to the option, which one you want, what style you have to do it. Not like that, is the whatever you have to write on the label, yeah, about the company names or anything, whatever they gave you for the company information, you have to type it, and then you have to click OK. Then you have to print it, and you can place it on the box where you have to use that label. You can print out and use it by yourself at home, in cases if you guys want to return any item during this COVID situation. You guys always have to use the labels, you know, the companies, they are sending the label address, something like that. You can use the word and then you can use the label. Then you can write the label address and everything. You can print it and you can place it on the box like that. Okay friends, I already teach you guys part 1 to part 4. This is the last video is part 4. Until part 4 I already teach you is as much as I can able to do it for you guys. This video is enough for to write the exam or school exam or even the employment exam. You can able to write it. For beginners, this video is really helpful to learn from home. Much enough whatever I already teach from part 1 to part 4 in this video. You can able to write the entrance exam. That's enough. Still you can learn at home if you need it for yourself, by yourself. And I will try to make it other videos also. Not I'm going to finish with this one. This is the last one in the bird, but I will make the different one also, but not now. Is after I finish this one I will continue the word. Thanks for watching my videos part 1 to part 4. If you have any question, you can able to write the message to me. You can comments or anything under my name or under my email address. I will send it to you guys. You can able to message it if you need any more help or any anything is if you don't understand even. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.